Coke, please. What did you get from the Wendy's?
Like a space kid's meal.
Yo, you're bitch bait, kid.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, what can I get for you?
Can I get,
Let me get on, boy!
can I get a number, hold on. Can I get a number 10? What did you say for drink? What did you drink?
Coke.
With, no sauce and, Coke,
Well, medium or large?
medium.
Okay, anything else?
Yeah, kids cheeseburger meal.
What's the drink?
Sprite, no ice. Vanilla.
Alright,
Yeah, my mom's died too.
Yeah, a taco salad full.
okay.
That's it.
Alright, so it's gonna be $18.98.
Thank you. What is he doing? What is he doing?
He's ordering. He's like, I
I get a
he's trying to
cheeseburger. Don't put that shit on it.
Oh, is that what he was doing? He tried. Oh, I couldn't hear
He's like,
him.
don't put that crap on it.
Robert was doing that?
That was Mr. Lennon.
Now see, it's back up to $18.98.
It changes every week.
The other day we came here, we got the same meal. It was $17.75.
Did you get the chili?
Yeah, I got the same exact order we got the other night. It was 17 and change. The week before it was $18.98. Me and him came, got the same shit we always get, and it was. I'll probably hear it on here.
Oh.